Good. Wow. Good morning. So what an appropriate day to start Vlogmas. Nevaeh, just wait. So this deck was cleaned off earlier on this week. We got, I think on Tuesday of this past week, you guys probably saw a vlog, maybe not. We got like 8 to 10 inches of snow. And then there was another snowstorm coming like the day after Thanksgiving. And it kind of delayed and didn't really do much. And then yesterday rolled around and it was supposed to be really bad and it really didn't do much. And then throughout the night last night, it came down a lot more. I'd say we got, I don't know, probably another 4 to 5 inches, nothing major. But it's still coming down, as you can see. So plow just came through. We got to go clear off the end of our driveway and shovel our street again, or shovel our driveway again. Luckily there's been a neighbor who's been coming down so far this year with a couple snows that we've had and actually plowing out our driveway with a Polaris side-by-side and a 6-foot plow. So that is nice. But I'll probably be picking up a snowblower here in the next week or so. So we're all gonna go outside.
I'm trying to find a charger that charges this. Oof, my tan on my hands. But we're not having any luck, right, Nevaeh?
I don't know, maybe it's this one.
Does anybody else have a drawer full of chargers?
No, that's one of my
Or are we crazy? Like, look at this. And then we don't know which charger goes to what.
I think this one is for my iPad.
It's a circle. Oh,
this
that.
is my iPad charger, I think. One of these two. No. This. It folds.
What happened?
Piper chewed on it.
Oh,
Yeah, she kept
Piper.
chewing on mine. When I was,
What a naughty girl.
When I was doing this with my glove and petting her, she just kept on doing this. But mine didn't hurt.
Yes. Piper, also, we, I don't know if Ethan shared this or not, but when we were in New York, we were at the Starbucks Reserve. I showed you guys in the vlog. And if you watched it, and it was gorgeous. We bought a whole bunch of stuff, like Ethan bought some coffee cups and whatnot. We bought coasters. Piper ate the coasters. Literally ate them. We could not find where they were. We're like, you guys, Grayson always takes stuff off our coffee table and plays with them. But we were like, Gray, what did you do with it? He's like, I didn't do anything with it. And then Piper did it. She ate them. Swallowed them. Okay, so we are headed to my parents' house. Forgot the camera, so we had to turn around and go get it. It's just me and Ethan, and we got the gray Meister over here, who's almost falling asleep, looking at the snowmobilers outside. He's got his hair all done. He looks so cute. It's all I do. My cousin, so we had a wedding yesterday. My one cousin got married, and then today we are having a baby shower for my other cousin. Fun fact, all my cousins are boys. I don't have one girl cousin. We are the only girls in my dad's side of the family, and then I only have one cousin on my mom's side. Right? Wait, no, that can't be right. She's my cousin, right? Yeah. Okay. So on my mom's side, I guess we do have one girl. Anyway, so we are gonna go do the little baby shower thing, and it's still snowing a ton here.
Shoulder road.
This is
Unplowed dirt road.
yep.
Tyler? Yeah. Oh. Because you guys were.
Go.
Oh, she's got a dress. It's not good. I know.
Mrs. Beasley.
Up.
And he got it. Yep, there you go.
Like that?
Yep. He's got it. Hands up like the rodeo guy.
It's not a real diaper.
Pull up.
Oh, Ethan wins.
Tie?
No. Yeah, no.
Oh, yours is not backwards.
His is backwards too.
It's right here.
Oh.
Show me what you got.
Icicle.
Ah.
So To get the remainder, you would do 8 times 4 is what?
4 is time.
Yeah, you just do it right now.
Hi, Peanut. Hi, Peanut. You should be a good girl. Are you an old lady?
8 times
Yeah.
32.
The boys are down there,
And multiply it again, that's
I think. We're back from the shower. I was like, where were we? We're back from the shower, and I'm standing next to my fire. Big surprise. This is like my favorite spot in the wintertime. But Charlie's still over here. Grayson must have touched him yesterday. But the kids are going to be taking showers and baths. Everybody has school tomorrow, and so we are planning that. We have laundry going.
Last night. Or not last night, I took a bath yesterday.
You took a bath yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got her hair in braids. No, Erica did it. Erica, our babysitter, braided her hair into 3 little braids, but you'll have to take it out tomorrow morning though. Faya, you'll have to take it out tomorrow morning. It'll be kinky. Curly. So, yeah, that's what is going on right now. We think I might be going to Rachel's house, but I'm not sure yet. Stop.
Piper.
You smell my treat.
What? What's she got? She got treats, Piper?
Okay.
She got treats?
Come on, Peen. Show the vlog your cool tricks, Peen girl. Peen's got all the tricks. Okay. Are you shaking? Wow, good girl.
Oh, they just all start throwing
Look at
tricks
her.
out right away.
Okay, Peen, sit. Shake. Good girl. Okay, play dead. Play dead. Play dead. Look at her foot.
Play dead.
Play dead. Roll over. Good
girl.
See if she actually likes these treats. She's so picky.
She is so picky. She's smelling it. Oh,
Wow.
you're such a turd.
I feel like we have to break it in half. Okay, Pipes.
Yeah.
Up. Come on. Shake.
I want to do that.
Good girl. Here. We have to save it for later.
Shake. Shake.
She's like, I am. Good girl.
Peanut, you already got one. She ate all of it. Come on.
You liked your treat? Okay, we have to save them for later when they're being good girls. Go put them in their drawers.
Charlie. So you can hear that the boys are playing football and my dad won.
Grandma's on me.
Dad!
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Vlogging me just won. I just beat Austin.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Madden for like, it's happened maybe 1 out of 15 times I play him.
How do you feel about that?
He's terrible.
All right, Dad.
You